Anchorage technology systems using mechanical wedge anchor that is strong for generations and meets the highest expectations. The LE mechanical wedge anchor family is designed to be used in concrete-based material. It is divided into two groups, for cracked and non-cracked concrete. Option 1 group contains 3 types of anchors for use in cracked and non-cracked concrete. The anchors are approved to be used under fire exposure, suitable for installation in cracked concrete, and are having seismic approval as well. Option 7 group for the non-cracked concrete zone has a European technical assessment with resistance under fire exposure. The LE-A4 anchor made of acid-resistant stainless steel with an A4 wedge for external atmospheric exposure applications is an ideal choice for fixing facade substructure and steel constructions exposed to changing environmental conditions. The LE-ZN-A4 anchor made of galvanized carbon steel with an A4 wedge for dry internal conditions is perfect for installation in cracked concrete zones inside the buildings. The LE-DA4 carbon steel anchor in aluminum zinc flake coating with A4 wedge for dry internal conditions and also external atmospheric exposure is the best choice for structures with a shorter, up to 15 years assumed working life in more demanding environmental conditions. LE-ZN is an economical non-cracked concrete anchor with a galvanized wedge, best for dry internal applications. All anchor components have been properly designed and precisely tested through the development process and meet the highest requirements. The innovative design of the wedge and the cone of the anchor enable to achieve high load-bearing capacities while maintaining the minimum edge distance and spacing values. The anchor has markings on the bolt and wedge, which makes the work of installers much easier and faster. Klimas mechanical wedge anchors are the obvious choice of professionals. They are easy to use, guarantee safety, and carry the quality of a Polish manufacturer. Let's move on to anchors installation. Drill a hole of required diameter and depth. Clean the hole of drilling dust and debris with compressed air 3 times, starting from the bottom of the hole. The anchor can be installed using pre-positioned method or push-through method. The anchor is driven by hammering into the pre-drilled hole to the appropriate depth, standard or reduced. Then use a torque wrench to tighten with required value of torque specified in the European Technical Assessment or in the anchor's installation instructions included in the packaging. The expansion wedge, designed and proven in many tests, ensures stability and the highest load-bearing capacity while maintaining minimum edge distance and spacing values. Variable effective anchorage depth allows for even more precise adjustment of the fastening to application requirements. Markings on the bolt make installation easier. Red line, standard anchorage depth, ensures full load-bearing capacity. Black line, reduced anchorage depth, reduced load-bearing capacity while increasing the thickness of the fixture. Klimas LE anchors provide quick and easy installation, time savings, convenient markings that facilitate work, innovative and repeatedly tested design of anchors geometry, necessary certificates and approvals ensuring the safety of the construction projects. A wide product portfolio offering many possibilities, increase the number of applications and fields of use. A universal offer that meets the needs of various contractors. Reliable Polish quality that we proudly say, strong for generations.